Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to design book covers on Canva. For those of us who are just knowing Canva for the first time, Canva is simply an online graphic design tool. It's one of the most used online graphic design tools globally online. And the reason behind it is that it has huge resources that one can use to create high converting graphic designs, which also includes book covers. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to visit the site by going to canva.com, and it's going to bring us this sign up page. So if you are just sign up, of course this is what you should expect. Now you can sign up with your Gmail account or your Facebook or even any other email. Now, but I already have an account with them, so what I'll just do is to click on log in. So now to log in, I'll just log in with what I signed up with. So now here is my account. So on this page, as you can see, I said something earlier about having huge resources. One of the resources that this tool Canva uh, has or gives to its users uh, is pre-made designs, which is also called templates. So they have other resources like free photos you can use, icons, videos, and the likes. So what makes them one very important part of online business people is that they have these templates that cut across different category and also platforms. Now, platforms in the sense that they are templates to, if you want to design for things like, let's say, social media, posts like Instagram news feed or stories, any other thing. They also have something for marketing. They have, for video school. They have for business card. They even have for logos. So there are a lot of things you can design for. In fact, they also have for categories. Different niches and categories as well. So, as a beginner or a newbie in graphic design, I would advise you to use pre-made designs. Templates for your design, because design is more than how to use software. Rather, it's about understanding the concept of design. When you understand the concept of design, then you'll be able to come up with good designs. So now let's go ahead and start creating our book cover. So what to do is just come to create a design, then click on it. So it brings us here. So here again, you can start with templates like logo templates or this template, but we want to start with empty or white paper page. So what you just do is to come to click on custom dimension. So this is the size for our book cover. Now remember, while we were creating this doc, when I was resizing, I said something about remembering the size we used, because that's exactly what we are going to use to design our book cover. So we have 5.5 by 8.5 in inches. So let's go back there to use that size. So first we have to change this to inches, then type in the size, which is 5.5 by 8.5. Now create new design. Again, we have a lot of templates to use. So just like I told you earlier, I said for a newbie that doesn't understand design concept, it's advisable to use a template provided for you. What you just need to do is also edit this template to fit what you need it for. So here a lot of templates here is general, so it's generic. So basically we just need to be more specific and filter is based on what we need. So what we need is actually for book covers. So I think it should come okay, book covers there. So it's going to give us templates for book covers. So like I said, they have a lot of, there are free photos there. You can pick your icons and even videos and backgrounds that you can select from. So it's very powerful too, and I advise you, if you don't know about it and if you don't use it before, to try it out. You will love it. So here are the templates. So the templates again is based on category. So that's what another beauty of these things. I said something about concept. Concept will make you understand that this is the best design for this category or this niche, and of course that will even helps in getting more conversion. So let's just scroll up to what best fits what we want to design for, and that's online business. So this for cookbooks, illustration, and the likes. Let's see, and so let's just move on. So business fits very well. So we can select anything around designs fits well. But let me look for any other ones that I think I can use. I want something more simple but very okay. And okay, now let's try. Okay, so I like this. So let's try and use this. Very simple and very okay, because in design itself, design shouldn't contain too much text, so it can make sense. So now the first thing to do is that we need to edit this title. Everything here is clickable and editable. So I will just double click on this, highlight it, then change the wording. So now what I'm using now is short, which is online business blueprint. So I will just change it to online business blueprint. That's fine. So it's fine. So let's zoom in. So let's just pick 100%. This should be fine. Now the next thing I want you have to take note of this. Please don't use anything like bestseller of anything. Amazon doesn't like that, because it's be considered as misleading. They should be the one to set what is bestseller and what is not bestseller. So in this case, or else they give you permission to do so, but in our own case we are not giving any permission, so please delete it. So the next thing to do is to change the subtitle. You go click on it, and to save the time just copy and paste it. So do that and paste. So we have it now. The next thing is that I want to change design a bit. I want to add square. So we just come to, if you want any shape, just come to elements, then come to, you can select that again. Okay, so the kind of shape I want is the square. So I already have it here, so just drag it, resize it. So if you notice that it's on top of this text, and I want the text to come up. So make sure the cursor, you clicked on this box, then come to position, click on backward, then the text will come up. So here is it. So let's move this one up to, to make sense, then drag it to go beyond this text. Again, do that for this as well, and we'll find. So the next thing is to change the color to match that of this. So the color here is, so here is the other color. So now we are fine with this. So the next thing is to come here and change the name. Now the name we use for our book is at Arsen. So now let's go back and change that to at Arsen. So at Arsen. So I want to make it bigger. Then here I have it, so it's fine. So the next thing, let me just fit it. So that's all I have to do. So come here to download it. So wait for this to come up, then download. So that's all you need to do, and we're fine. So while we wait for this design, so let it download. Then it has been downloaded. So let's check it out to see what we have. Open when done. So here is what we have. So look how beautiful it is. So we have come to the end of this section.